to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to get started and set up a new meeting in Google Meet on your PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, come to Google Apps. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Meet. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on New Meeting. Then create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar. So what we want to do is to create a meeting for later. Then right here is your joining. Then send this to people that you want to meet with. Make sure that you save it. So what you need to do is to simply click on copy link. So having copied the link, you can share the link with the right people that you want them to meet you, and also like what you read. And likewise, you too make sure that you save the link. It's that simple. I hope you really got follow for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.